Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a useful Linux task. I show you how to reduce logical volume size with EXT4 file system. It contains 5 tasks. The first task is how to unmount the logical volume. The next we are checking the file system if we have some errors in it, and after that we're reducing the file system. In our case it will be EXT4 file system, generally using in Ubuntu or Debian. And next we are reducing logical volume, and finally we're extending another logical volume. For this purposes you need a computer or laptop with more than 4 GB of RAM, VirtualBox or VMware Workstation or another virtualization system. Also you have to be installed Linux server, for example Ubuntu or Debian with LVM and EXT4 file system. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. And also drop any questions if you have in comments below, and I will sure to get back to you. You see that we have 42 GB of home directory. For example, root directory we have only 12 GB. I want to reduce my home partition because I think it's too much. When I will reduce my home partition, I add additional free space to root or maybe var partition. And first step what we will do, it is unmount home partition. Commands umount. So my partition is busy because I have users who connected to my home directory. In this case you have to connect to a server as root by SSH or through console. For this reason I wanna permit my root login in SSH server. SSH server, go to config SSH config, find line with permit root login, uncommented, right, type yes. Now save and exit and restart SSH service. Reboot. Now I connected as a root. You can unmount your home directory. Mount home directory. After that you have to check your home directory file system with command e2fsck command, and after this you have to reduce your file system with command resize to fs home to your values. In my case 5 GB. Completed. Next step, you have to reduce your LVM partition with command lvreduce L 5 GB of this. Type Y, extend to 5 GB. As you can see, size logical volume Debian changed from 32 to 5 GB. Remount all your partition from etc fstab. Let's check data in our home directory. where didn't lose any data. So now you wanna expand your root partition, like in my previous video. You have to see how to do this with LVM and EXT4 file system. Free root partition, and expand my file system EXT4 as well in one command. So let's see, all works properly. You reduce your home directory and expand your root directory to necessary gigabytes. Thank you for attention. Please subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and see you next videos.